Hello, Lopez Lasers. I'm Alana.
And I'm James. Welcome to Lopez News.
Today is Friday, March 8th, 2024.
Let's get started on the weather. Spring break should actually feel a bit like spring. Highs will average in the lows of 60s with mostly sunny skies. Though there may be a few days with the low 50s, cloudy skies, and a chance of some precipitation.
Now it's time for the news. Students' final entries for the yearbook cover are due Monday 18th when we get back from spring break. The student voice action team will narrow entries down to the top 3, and then the rest of the school will have a chance to vote for our ultimate winner. We can't wait to see all your entries.
The junior PTA action team is planning a friendly coin lure, which will take place the week after we come back from spring break, March 18th through the 22nd. Get ready to break those piggy banks and save those coins.
Students, do you have a talent that you'd like to share with the rest of the school? You're in luck. Auditions to showcase talent at our Live at Lopez event will be held from 3:30 to 5:30 on Wednesday, March 27th, Thursday, March 28th. Make sure to bring your signed permission slips and sign up for your audition spot in the front office no later than Friday, March 22nd.
Students, please make sure to complete your habit homework for the month. This month, we're focusing on Habit 6, Synergize. Together, you will use the puzzle piece to decorate with your family. The puzzle piece can represent your family in any way you choose. Our end in mind is to put these pieces together and make a large Lopez family puzzle to display in our school. Make sure these are turned in by Friday, March 22nd.
That's all for this week's news. Let's take a quick habit break before we send in our match magician watching by a video brought to you by the Habit Champions.
This is synergy of what we just did.
By putting the puzzle pieces together.
Synergy means to work together.
I'm Miles, your math magician for the week. There are a ton of submissions this week, and the math champion for each question. When there are several correct answers, Mrs. Berry draws from a pile for the lucky winner. Congratulations to Reagan in Mrs. Anderson's class for the kinder and first grade question, Noah in Mrs. Cordova's class for the second and third grade question, and once again, Caroline in Mrs. Martin's class for the fourth and fifth grade question and the challenge question. Well done, math champions. You may collect the prize from Miss Berry when you have technology next time. Here are this week's questions. For kinder and first grade, draw what shape comes next in the pattern. Square, circle, square, square, circle, square, square, square. For second and third grade, which place value is the digit in the number 5,721? Ones, tens, hundreds, or thousands place. For fourth and fifth grade, name the greatest common factor between 40 and 64. And the challenge question, how many grams equal 3,452 milligrams? Be sure to fill out the green sheet in the media center for a chance to win a prize. Remember to show your strategies and provide a label if needed. Entries are due Tuesday by the end of the day. Winners will be announced on the next episode of Lopez News. Good luck!
It's joke time! This one is brought to you by Diego D. in 5th grade. Hey Alana, what do you call elves in school?
I don't know. What?
An elf bell.
Remember, you can submit your best jokes on Miss Berry's learning page under the Lopez News page.
Now it's time for birthdays. Last week on February 27th, Gina C. in kindergarten had a birthday. On March 2nd, Mr. Hausman. On the 4th, Shania D. in 4th grade. On the 5th, Lewis G. in 4th grade. And tomorrow on the 9th, Leilani A. and Lacey G. in kindergarten and Levi D. in 3rd grade have birthdays.
Next week over spring break on the 12th, Evelyn S. in 2nd and Jude H. in 4th have birthdays. On the 13th, Derek K. in 1st grade, Avery P. in 4th grade, and Macy S. in 5th grade. On the 14th, Harbor F. in 2nd grade. On the 15th, Davin L. in 4th in 4th grade, and Mrs. Levine. On the 16th, Harper S. in 3rd grade, and the 17th, Ruby S. in 3rd grade, and R.A.B. in 5th grade both have birthdays. Please join us to wish and have a happy birthday to all.
Yay! Last but not least, it's time for our mystery staff member. This mystery staff member's favorite food is tacos, and their favorite drink is tea. Their favorite animal is a giraffe, and their favorite color is any shade of blue.
Their hobbies include running, hiking, biking, and spending time outdoors. A fun fact about themselves is they play Division I soccer in college. And one more hint is that it was their first year at Lopez.
Who could it be? Find out after the credits. Staff, we only have a few more days of mystery staff member to reveal. If you have not been a mystery staff member this year, please fill out the form on Miss Berry's learning page under Submit to Lopez News.
Well, folks, that's all for today. We'll see you next week after we get spring break with a fresh edition of Lopez News. Signing off, I'm Alana.
And I'm James.
Remember, we are leaders today, leading tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Hello. Cut. Hello. Lasers. Hello, Lopez Lasers. I'm Alana.